Let's go through the different parts of the bow, starting here at the place where you engage the bow the most. And because the bow terminology is based upon the French language, I will be sharing with you the proper terminology in referring to your bow, in addition to the English. First, we have the end piece here, le bouton, which is called the screw in English. This is le bouton. The next part is this black piece here called la hausse or le talon. In English, it's called the frog, but le talon I think is better. A talon is the heel, and this could be the heel right here. A next piece is this piece right here in the middle, la pastille, which is called an eye in English. It's called la pastille because it has a minty sort of look to it. Moving on to a piece that has no translation is right here, la virole. And une virole is a piece of machinery that you put things through, sort of a guide. So this piece right here, if you have ever wondered, you can tell your teacher and impress them. This is la virole, and it's where the hair is fed through. Up here we have la garniture, which in English translates directly into the garnish or grip, which is more likely to be used in our terminology. Further on, we have the two longest pieces on your bow. This right here is la baguette, which is the stick, but it refers to a very long piece of brown, which the French love to eat their baguettes, and so that's very true. So this is la baguette. And down here, we have the hair, and we call it le crin or la mèche, horsehair. And because it's very precise as to what type of hair this is, I prefer to call it le crin. So that is this right here. Further at the end, we have here la tête, otherwise known as the tip. And I recently learned what this piece means. This is la plaque de tête, which is basically the plate that holds the head. So it's very precise, and it's good to know the original terminology and the parts for your bow.